How-To here, and today I'm going to be doing a tech review for you guys on the Blue Snowball Ice microphone. So in the beginning, I'm going to be talking by the built-in microphone in the camera, and after, I'm going to use this Blue Snowball Ice microphone. And you guys can tell the difference between a built-in microphone and this Blue Snowball Ice microphone. Let's cue the intro. So we are doing a review on this amazing microphone. I bought it at Best Buy for $50. It's a really good deal for such a microphone. So let's unbox this thing. So once you open up, let's see what we'll find. And the first thing I find is this white box inside of the blue box. Okay, so there is this white box, and there is another white box right over here, which has the microphone in it. So here's the microphone. As you can see inside, there is a little microphone, the top of the microphone, and that is all that's in here. So I'm going to open this first. There we go. And there's the tripod in here. There is the instructions manual and the USB cable that you connect to the microphone that connects right to your Mac or whatever device you were using. The USB cable. What else do we have? We got the microphone. So it comes with the microphone, the tripod, the USB cable, and the instructions manual. And here's the instruction manual. I don't need that.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
The first thing you'll see at the bottom is this little screw-in thing. So I'm going to probably screw it into the tripod, because what else would you screw it into? Okay, so I'm done, and you want to untwist this one. It's untwisted. Open it up. It's a huge wire. You want to plug in the USB to your computer, where it has a USB section. And if it doesn't fit, then you're not plugging it into the USB section. Plug it into the USB section. Okay, and then plug this weird looking wire to the back of your microphone. And once it is inside, you can see it has a red light. That probably means that it is connected. So now I'm going to start talking with the blue microphone. Hello everyone, I am back, and today, actually right now, I'm using this Blue Snowball microphone. Could you tell the difference between this and the Sony Camcorder built-in microphone? Honestly, the Blue Snowball Ice is way better. I really recommend this microphone. It is very good for a $50 microphone at Best Buy, honestly. It is amazing. So now I'm going to do a few skits with this microphone so you could see the difference between the sound of the camcorder built-in microphone and this Blue Snowball Ice microphone. We'll be back. So Musa, how you like my new microphone? It's right here. You don't care? Oh, okay, whatever. Hey Layla, can I interview you? Get out! So, you think my siblings don't care? They don't, honestly. They don't really care about this new microphone, but honestly, in my opinion, this is really good. The only advantage is that for the Snowball Ice, it only comes in one direction, and for the Snowball, if you just get the original Snowball, it may cost $20 extra, but it can go all around, which is good about it. It is actually way bigger than I thought it would be. I just bought this yesterday from Best Buy, and I thought it was going to be like that big, but it's actually huge. So anyway, now let's go interview the good interviews. Honestly, these are way better than my other ones. They didn't really... At least some of these guys tried to answer questions, you know. So, have you seen my new microphone? What? The new microphone.
You got a new My brother is an amazing brother. Wait, what were we talking about again? What microphone?
The microphone I bought, the Blue...
Yeah, the microphone. It's great. Such good quality. And yeah.
Was that good? Here, this is the microphone. You like it? Hello? It's not plugged in. It's supposed to be plugged in.
Wait, our microphone's black.
Yeah, this is a computer microphone.
It's like those ones we could sing. Hills are both.
It's still not plugged in.
What good?
No, don't. You know what? I'm done. I've actually come to my senses, and I'm actually going to interview someone about the microphone who actually knows their stuff, unlike my siblings. So, I know you're quite a techie, aren't you? Yeah? I don't know if you guys noticed or not, but I only used this Blue Snowball microphone for one of those examples. So that's just the comparison between the two. And if you don't know right now, I'm actually using the Blue Snowball microphone. It's right in front of me. Anyway, that wraps up this video for now. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a huge thumbs up. Smack that thumbs up button right in the face. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. Punch that one in the face. So slap the like button, punch the subscribe button. Try not to break your computer while doing it. But if you're a man, you would break your computer doing it. Like so. Anyway, I am How2, and as always, cue the outro. Now let's see what it looks like. Okay, not bad.